Let's talk about how to manage item inventory in ShareMyToolbox when you manage multiple warehouse locations. First, make sure you have locations turned on in system settings. Then, you can manage your warehouses, trucks, vans, and job sites in the Locations tab of the web portal. Once locations are enabled, you'll be able to assign your tools and items to various locations for enhanced tracking, costing, and accountability. First, let's review item types. The first type is called a standard item. These are your normal tools that are tracked individually and are typically serialized. You may also tag them with a barcode. Examples include drills, saws, and compressors. On the other hand, quantity items are generally less expensive items that aren't worth tracking individually and don't have serial numbers. Multiple items may be loaned to a crew at the same time. Examples include shovels, safety belts, extension cords, and hard hats. ShareMyToolbox also handles kits and consumables. When working with standard items, each one can be assigned to a home warehouse location in the Inventory tab of the item record. The home location is the warehouse the item is typically kept when not loaned out. If no location is selected, your default warehouse will be used, which is defined in your location setup. For quantity and consumable items, you can choose to set up the item once and inventory it across multiple home warehouses. This is possible because these items aren't individually serialized. Here, in the Inventory tab of the item record, you can see this tool is in the Charlotte warehouse. If you want to also maintain this item in another warehouse, simply add a new home warehouse. When you add a new location, you can either add the quantity manually to record what you already have, you can create a warehouse transfer from another location, or you can create an adjustment to add a purchase of that item. To remove a home warehouse location, simply adjust or transfer the inventory, and then click the X on the location to remove it. You'll also notice a handy way to see the quantities in various statuses across your company, such as the total amount in warehouses and total loaned out. Additionally, you can easily set reorder levels for quantity and consumable items by home warehouse location. This will send you a reminder when it's time to reorder. If you have items also assigned to kits that are in a home warehouse, we show that breakout in addition to the count of that item not in kits. So whether you're using ShareMyToolbox with a single warehouse, multiple warehouses, standard, quantity, consumables, or kits, we make it easy to track your assets using the best and smarter tool management.